Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort of edit your face shape in Photoshop. Now this is not necessary, of course. Everybody's beautiful. Again, this disclaimer has to be said. You don't have to edit yourself, but I'm just gonna show you how you can do it if you'd like. So go to filter and go to Liquify. And I'm just going to wait for it to load. Then I'm just going to choose this like face tool, and if I like hover over my mouse, as you can see, I can change the sort of face shape of this person. You can like change it here too. You can change the nose size here too. You can edit it here. You can also edit it here too. If you want it to smile a little bit more, you can, or if you want to make the upper lip a little bit bigger and also the lower lip, the width of the mouth too, you can edit that. You can also edit the eye size right here. As you can see, it changes, and like you can like tilt the eye too. I think that's all you can do is like the sort of like face, the mouth area, the nose, and the eyes of the picture. And that is basically it. You're just going to want to press OK once you're done. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!